G'day folks, welcome to an ACC Queensland Daily Weather Up today, the 9th of Jan 2023. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by our major sponsor, TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe, accredited shed. Alright, this morning we've got a few convective showers already building up across the Gulf country. We've got some showers and isolated thunderstorms across the central west districts, and we've got a lot of light patchy rain, and I'm sure there'll be some convection down here towards the end of the afternoon as well. Outside of that, we've also got a couple of showers developing already this morning across the northeastern ranges and hinterland regions of FNQ. Right through the day today, we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms, as I mentioned, building up across the inland areas. We've got a trough system here across the northeast inland, extending down into the central inland. We've got a bit of a trough system that's developing around the Gulf country. We've got multiple small trough systems, but our main one across Queensland is going to be this one here across the interior regions of the state. There's some isolated showers also across the central east and southeast regions this afternoon, this evening. As we progress through tonight, we may see along this line of troughing, we might see some convection building up through the nighttime hours as well, and some overnight showers and thunderstorms possible around southwest and central west Queensland in general. We may also see an increase in shower activity around the northeast tropical coast, maybe an isolated thunderstorm in that mess as well, just off the coastline, or maybe nudging that coastline. So overall, it's a very active weather day, but it's also a very messy weather day with only one real area that we can target when it comes to convective potential, and that's this one in here through the northern inland, central inland areas. Outside of that, it's just a scattering of showers and possible thunderstorms across the west and the north, and some very isolated shower activity through central east and southeast hinterland areas. We're currently in a bit of a monsoon break type pattern, or we're pushing into a monsoon break type pattern. We still have some northwesterlies going through the Gulf country, making life uncomfortable for boaties down there. Up there, I should say, and generally speaking, though, across eastern Queensland, we've got generally light winds across the area. Just be aware of the sea breeze coming in. A northeasterly sea breeze can kick up those winds around 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 15, maybe even 20, very close inshore. From tomorrow, southerly winds will start to kick up across southeast Queensland. It'll start to become quite uncomfortable on the water around southeast Queensland. Towards the end of the week, we've got about a 40 to 50% chance of seeing a tropical low forming around North Queensland's coastline. And if we don't get the low forming, we'll get a trough forming anyway, and we're going to see some widespread moderate to heavy rainfall across northeast Queensland and parts of northern central Queensland. To find out plenty more details about that system, head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au, check out our subscription options, or keep it locked on to these morning updates, and we'll let you know how that's progressing over the next few days. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you tomorrow.